Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gold plating machine is probably one of the most transformative tools for both hobbyists and professionals, offering a simple way to add a touch of luxury and durability to various items. From jewelry and electronics to automotive parts and more, this machine opens up a world of creative possibilities and cost-effective solutions for enhancing the value and appearance of your projects, while also improving the resistance to corrosion and wear. Number 5. Jewelry Plating Machine 1503. It's a portable plating machine, measuring 6.37 by 6.69 by 4.6 inches and weighing only 4.85 pounds. The kit includes the machine and 2 conductive wires. It supports a maximum current of 3 amps. This machine features automatic voltage regulation, ensuring a steady current. It also includes safety features like overvoltage, overcurrent, undervoltage, and phase loss protection. Its high-quality conductive wires are comfortable to handle and highly conductive. The clear dial display makes it easy to read and adjust the voltage as needed. It offers a high plating efficiency, resulting in a smooth and uniform finish in less time. It provides a stable and clean output for the best results. It's effective for various plating types, including copper, nickel, chromium, gold, and silver. It's especially useful for irregularly shaped workpieces, significantly reducing plating time. Remember, it only plates gold, silver, copper, and stainless steel. Additional accessories like plating liquid, water wire, titanium mesh, electrolytic powder, and a beaker must be purchased separately. Always use pure distilled water for cleaning. What we like. It boasts a compact and lightweight design, perfect for on-the-go plating. Its high efficiency means you'll save time on each project. If you value convenience and speed, this is the ideal choice for your jewelry making needs. What people say. Excellent equipo. Excellent producto uno lego con un gol pero está bien. Number 4. 110V Jewelry Plating Rectifier. It boasts high efficiency and features automatic voltage regulation for precise control. Plus, it includes safety features like overvoltage and overcurrent protection. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and use in various settings. You can take it anywhere. You have the flexibility to adjust the voltage to meet your specific plating needs. Simply dial in your desired setting. The conductive connecting wires are made from premium materials, ensuring reliable conductivity and a comfortable user experience. It's effective for various plating types, including copper, nickel, chromium, gold, and silver. It creates a uniform coating, especially on irregularly shaped items, saving you time. It offers undervoltage and phase loss protection, ensuring safe operation and protecting your investment. What we like. This machine offers precise voltage control for various plating needs. Multiple safety features protect both you and your work. If you prioritize precision and safety in your electroplating process, this is the perfect option for you. Number 3. CDZHLTG Plating Machine. This innovative machine makes jewelry plating easy and efficient. Its compact size and lightweight design allow for convenient portability. It features a high-quality conductive connecting wire, ensuring optimal performance and a comfortable user experience. The materials are carefully selected for durability and conductivity. The advanced power supply boasts automatic voltage regulation and overcurrent protection, ensuring safe and reliable operation. It also includes undervoltage and phase loss protection. You can easily adjust the voltage to meet your specific plating needs. This allows for precise control over the plating process. It's perfect for various plating types, including copper, nickel, chromium, gold, and silver. It produces a uniform coating, especially on irregularly shaped items, significantly reducing plating time. Its small size and light weight make it incredibly portable, ideal for both home and professional use. You can take it anywhere you need to plate jewelry. What we like. Its small size makes it perfect for travel and small workspaces. The adjustable voltage ensures versatility for different projects. If portability and adaptability are your top priorities, this machine is a great fit for your electroplating needs. Number 2. Electroplating Pen, Black. This innovative tool allows for precise and detailed electroplating. It's perfect for jewelry making and other small-scale projects. Its pen-like design makes it easy to handle and control, providing accuracy for intricate work. You'll achieve professional-looking results with ease. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your jewelry creations. Easily apply silver or gold plating to your designs. This tool is suitable for various metals and plating solutions. Expand your creative possibilities with its adaptability. It's designed for user-friendliness, making the electroplating process simple and efficient. Cleaning is also quick and straightforward. Achieve a long-lasting, professional finish with this tool. It delivers superior plating results every time. What we like. This pen-style design allows for intricate and detailed plating. Its ease of use makes it perfect for beginners. If you need a tool for precise, localized plating, this pen-style electroplating machine is your best bet. What people say. Good device does its job satisfactorily. Number 1. Gold Plating Pen Kit. It's designed like a pen, making it easy to use. You can electroplate various items, such as gold, silver, or copper plating. This kit is perfect for repairing surfaces and adding decorative plating. It's a common tool in jewelry making and other crafts. It includes a conductive frame, clips, power cord, plating head, and the plating pen itself. It's simple to set up and use. Its compact size and lightweight make it easy to take with you. It's ideal for spot plating jewelry and other small items. Please note that you will receive either the old or new model, functionality remains the same. We're always here to assist you. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions, and we'll gladly help you within 24 hours. What we like. The pen design enables detailed work on small jewelry pieces. Its portability makes it ideal for taking to craft fairs or clients' homes. If you're looking for a versatile and portable tool for detailed work, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works as described. When I first tried to use it I was disappointed, until I realized that my positive electrode was bubbling, and the color of my part was becoming more copper-toned. Following my hunch I grabbed a multimeter and tested the leads and confirmed that the positive, red, outputs on the machine were actually the negative, and the black negative output was in fact the positive. After swapping the leads to account for this it works quite nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.